Hey, Kai here. Today we teach Python to do arithmetic, compare things, and reason with, and, or, and not. This lesson is the engine room of every program you will ever write, because almost every line of real code is an expression being evaluated. Stick with me for 10 minutes, and calculations, conditions, and conversions will all feel obvious. Quick vocabulary before we start in plain words. An operator is like a kitchen tool, and operands are the ingredients it works on. An expression is the whole recipe, like 2 plus 3, and evaluating, it just means Python cooks it down to one final value. In short, expressions are little math sentences that Python reads and answers. Arithmetic operators are just your calculator buttons. Plus, minus, and times do exactly what you learned in school. The only new face is the double asterisk, which means to the power of, so 7 double asterisk 3 is 7 times 7 times 7, which is 343. In short, Python math reads almost exactly like paper math. Here is where beginners trip. Think of sharing 7 cookies between 2 kids. Normal division with 1 slash says each kid gets 3.5. Floor division with 2 slashes says whole cookies only, so each kid gets 3, and it always rounds down, even for negative numbers. Notice that 8 divided by 2 gives 4.0, because single slash always hands back a decimal number, even when it divides evenly. The percent sign is called modulo, and it just means the leftover after dividing. Share 7 cookies between 2 kids, each gets 3, and 1 cookie is leftover. That leftover is the modulo. Here is the trick. Any number modulo 2 gives 0 when it is even and 1 when it is odd. So this one operator powers every even or odd check you will ever write. In short, modulo means what remains. Comparison operators are yes or no questions. Is x equal to 5? Is x bigger than 10? Python always answers with true or false, nothing in between. The one that matters most is double equals, which asks a question, versus a single equals, which assigns a value. In short, 1 equals sign stores, 2 equal signs ask. Think of a nightclub bouncer. The rule is age at least 18 and you have an ID. So, it means both checks must pass. Or is more relaxed, like free entry if you're a member or it is your birthday. So 1 passing check is enough. Not simply flips the answer, turning true into false. In short, and is strict or is generous and not as a light switch. Precedence just means who goes first, like the order of operations you learned as PEMDAS. Python multiplies before it adds, so 2 plus 3 times 4 is 14, not 20. Powers go before multiplication, math goes before comparisons, and logical operators like and go last. Honestly, here's my advice as a senior dev. When in doubt, add parentheses. They cost nothing and the next person reading your code will thank you. Let's watch Python think through 2 plus 3 times 4 greater than 10. First it does the multiplication. 3 times 4 is 12. Then the addition, 2 plus 12 is 14. Then the comparison, 14 is greater than 10. So the whole thing collapses to true. In short, Python melts an expression down 1 operator at a time, always highest priority first. Type conversion is like translating between languages. The text quote 42 quote and the number 42 look the same to you. But Python treats them as completely different things, and you convert between them with int, float, and str. There is also automatic conversion. Mix an integer with a float, and Python quietly upgrades everything to float. In short, conversion functions let numbers and text talk to each other. Now the traps. Adding the text 5 to the number 3 crashes with a type error, so convert first. And watch this. Int of 3.9 gives 3 because int chops off the decimal, it does not round. Use the round function for real rounding. I shipped the int instead of round version of this once in a billing script. Friday deploy. Never again. Oh. And dividing by 0 crashes in Python and in life. You might wonder why point 1 plus point 2 prints point 3 with a weird 4 at the end. Computers store decimals in binary, and some decimals cannot be stored exactly, the same way 1/3 becomes 0.333 forever in our system. So never check float results with double equals. Here is the trick. Use math.disclose, which asks, are these close enough instead of are these identical? In short, floats are very good approximations, so compare them loosely. Quick comparison of your options. Regular division with 1/ gives you the true decimal answer, but inherits those float quirks we just saw. Floor division gives clean whole numbers, great for things like counting full boxes, but it silently throws the remainder away. So pair it with modulo when a leftover matters. And prefer plain integers whenever you can, because they are exact. Then reach for round instead of int when you genuinely want the nearest number. In short, pick the operator that matches the question you're asking. Let's land this. You can now do arithmetic including floor division and modulo. Ask true or false questions with comparisons, and chain them with and, or, and not. You know Python multiplies before it adds, that parentheses are always your friend, and that int, float, and str translate between types. Practice tonight. Write one expression that checks whether a number is even and greater than 10. Keep shipping. See you tomorrow.